Here we are at Moat Hills, over crossing the S.Yorks with James's trains. There we go. Now the time now is 09:05 on Saturday the 3rd of February 2018. This is for your 09:13.5 once together 06 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London's King's Cross to Edinburgh, and that's it for 8 minutes, sorry. As you can see, they've got some plans coming on here. They probably might be relocating this level crossing. The dampening is still how it was, really. I actually would have thought they'd have done something in the 3 Sundays that this was closed. They must have some sort of plans at this level crossing, because you can always see all these markings and everything. So there must be something going on, and I've just realised that there is something new here. If I go back to some of the older videos in 2016 and 2017, you wouldn't have seen this, I can guarantee. Basically, you could get good views like here. I could just about get far back. No, I can't, because usually you can just about get the view, and it must have changed its relocation a little bit. So I think there's got to be something happening to this level crossing. There must be something, because they've got all these markings, and this wasn't here the last time I came, which wasn't too long ago. So yeah, just gonna put my phone in my pocket, because I've got 3 other things to film with for today, and they're all quite bad filming. It's iPod Touch 4th generations, unfortunately. We've got some new fencing over here. Might do a malfunction, actually. So yes, we've finally hit February 2018. I believe I can see the train down there. Yeah, look, you can see all the markings around the area. I think we're due back out at like 22, 23. But you can't do a BCD at this level crossing, because you're bound to hangman it, because it's on that angle. But I think they might be changing this to a different angle soon. Or at least I'm hoping. All these markings, something should come out of the end of this as to what that could be. So I didn't actually expect it to go off, but I did have the button ready. But it was 6 minutes on the clock on the real-time trains, and it's already here down the line. It's raining currently, so I'm going to have to keep aware of what could happen, whether it is even worse of rain, because I don't like bad rain. Well, obviously, when it gets too heavy, I just intend to go home. Oh, I got a phone call for somebody. This is a... No, I'll text her that. Sorry about the interruption. Let's see. Notepad. Welcome to Notepad. Take a note. Yes. Sorry, I'm a bit busy at the moment, so if you could just call me back. There we go. In about 10 minutes. That'll be fine. So 4 minutes and 45 seconds now. Don't know why it intends to do this, but there again, it's matching all the other level crossings when it stays amber for about a second or 2 and then just goes red. It used to stay amber for about 5 or 6 seconds and then go red. but now it's changed. Must have cut it a little bit. It's quite understandable actually. 43, 313. To 238, and we should be going up. Okay, we're just going to see what else we're down for. Well, the alarm started off a little dodgy there. Actually, loop. It's quite cold this morning. Down. Dark Hills does sound a little different when it goes from Moat to Reds. Only a little bit there, but that just could be me. Probably is. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Right, well, so down for your... I don't think this is going to be... and I don't think this is going to end off very well. 0922, 1 hour for 92, sorry. Hull train service from Hull to London's King's Cross. And your 0917 and half 1 Echo 03 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London's King's Cross. That is the only trains that this could be. We're probably going to end up doing the malfunction because there's literally nothing else minus that. And the Edlington train's just passed. So there's got to be some sort of problem. With the signalman probably not wanting to put the barriers up. The thing is though, is Moat and Dock are not exactly the level crossings you can rely on to stay down for a minute. I'd rely more on Bentley than that. There's no trains on either side, and that Virgin train's going to Leeds, which is that way, of course. You have to admit, the Virgin trains that go through Dock Hills going southwards, north, are a complete and utter ball ache. They always stop on the crossing, especially if there's trains that are going through this one as well. Especially at rush hour in particular, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh my god, it is complete and utter ball. It's just a ball ache. Right, so this must be the Edlington train because there's nothing else. It must have been a delayed York. So that last one was kind of unknown, I guess. Oh my god, my coat's hurting my arm a little bit. Okay, so we got probably something like 91 or 82. Hoping to be an 82 first. It will be actually, it'll be an 82. So we'll tell some information about that. I go southwards, no northwards, whatever. Here we go. Oh, 91, number 16. To 82-209 to Edlington or York. Edlington. Edinburgh, sorry.